set? Huh? Should we make another diamond? Let's make another diamond. What's that?
Thank you. Oh, that's so cool.
Let's make a clover.
Here, let's go. Let's put it back on the table. Let's put it back on the table.
Look at that. There's a clover. No, you can't eat it, silly. Wow, you're doing it.
Yeah,
good
push
job.
down on
Push
it.
hard. Push hard. Let's make a green clover leaf. Where's our clover? Here it is. Look at it. There's your clover. There you go. How about that? It matches your shirt. You can put it on your shirt as a pin. Uh-oh.
No, you.
No, we don't have to Play-Doh, kiddo. Let's make a turtle. Want to make a green turtle? Let's see if we can make a good turtle. Oh, that's good. Push it down hard. Put the turtle on there. Put the turtle on there. Here, make a turtle. Put the turtle there. Push down.
Push.
Oh, good job. Push hard. Good job. Okay, now let's take her up. Take it up. Okay. Pull it apart. Okay, do we have a turtle? It's a miracle. It's magic. We have a turtle. Look at that turtle. Wow. You're making all kinds of great stuff. No, you don't eat it, dear. Okay, here. You gonna make another turtle? Oh, thank you. Good job. Okay, you want Grammy to pull it out for you? Just push it out. Just push it out. Push. Oh, there it is. Good job. Show Jennifer. Show Jen your turtle. Can you show Auntie Jen?
He wants to see it through the camera. Okay, you go back on the other side of the camera.
Let's make a seahorse system. He wants to sit and watch.
He wants to look.
He loves to watch himself. He thinks it's so cool.
What do you see? What do you see? Are you the cameraman? You like to be behind the camera, not in front of it?
You're like your grandma.
You're the director, not the actor?
That's right.
What do you see? Is that your Play-Doh? Is that your Play-Doh? Yeah, there it is. Well, go play with it. Yeah, go make a little cutout. Go make a little cutout. This is actually going to be really funny.
What's Grandma making? Is she making meatballs for dinner? Look at, there's some meatballs. Can I see it? Is that entertaining?
Not really. He just loves technology.
He loves to look at himself.
You're not on there, honey. You're only on it when you're in front of it.